Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. So today's video is a bit special. This is a collaboration with Senheng and Vivo. Vivo just launched the Y20S a couple of days ago, and in today's video I'll be showing you an unboxing, showing you of course everything that comes in the box of the Vivo Y20S, go over some specifications, and of course the campaign that Senheng is running for this device right here. So without further ado, let's just jump into the unboxing right away. So as soon as you lift the lid for the Vivo Y20S box, you will see that we have a case here, a transparent case that comes in the box. So this is always good because it offers some protection for the device itself. Moving down, we actually are able to see the device itself, the Vivo Y20S. Alright, so my version here today is the purest blue version, and it looks really nice. It looks very premium here actually for this device right here, but I'm going to put this down aside for now. Moving down, we also can see that we do get the 18-watt charger in the box, and it's great to see that we still have chargers in the box right here. Last but not least, we also get a micro USB cable to charge up the device itself. Alright, so now that we've got all of the items unboxed, this is practically what you will get if you purchase the Y20S. Alright, moving on, let's talk a little bit about the price, the design, the everything specs that you need to know of the Vivo Y20S. So first up, the device here has been launched at 899 ringgit for this model right here, and that gives you 8GB of RAM, like I said, and 128GB of internal memory. The device here is running on the Snapdragon 460 processor. Another few specs that you can expect here is that display at the front. So we do get a 6.51 inch LCD display. This is 720p. It is pretty big actually, if you can see here, and we do have a teardrop notch at the top there that houses the selfie camera. Alright, now flipping the device to the back here, we see that we have a tiny bump here for that camera. It is just a very small bump here on the back there that houses the 3 camera sensors. So we do have a 13 megapixel main sensor, a 2 megapixel macro sensor, as well as a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Alright, so that should be enough for you to take some decent shots out of the device itself. Last but not least, we also have a 5000 mAh battery in this device, so that should provide you some decent battery life to last you the entire day. If you need more power, you can always use the charger that came in the box to charge up your device at 18-watt fast charge. I should also mention that this device does come with a headphone jack here at the bottom, so you can still use your wired earphones or headsets. Alright, so that's it for the Vivo Y20S. I just want to talk a bit about the campaign that Senheng is running because it's actually pretty cool. So if you buy the Vivo Y20S from Senheng, there is 2 offers that you might get here. If you're a Senheng Plus One member, you'll be getting 3 years of warranty for this device plus 1 year of screen crack protection. So that's a pretty good deal here if you're going to buy this device. And if you're a Senheng Plus One AEON member, you're going to get 4 years warranty, guys. That's a lot of years in terms of warranty plus 1 year screen crack protection. So of course, Senheng is also offering free easy payment plan payments of up to 24 months, and you can get this device delivered to your doorstep right away. Alright, so don't forget to check out these deals, links down in description box below. Moving on, we also have another promotion that Senheng is running, and this is their Senheng 47 member day campaign. And the star of this campaign here is actually the Vivo V20SE, and this is for Plus One members. So what you can do here is purchase a brand new Vivo V20SE at any Senheng or SenQ outlet at just 1,000 ringgit and 39 plus 320 points. So you can use your points to get a discount on the device here. This is a pretty nice device. I think I did a video of this back then. Of course, Senheng is also offering free easy payment plan payments up to 24 months as usual, and your free delivery to your doorstep. So just remember to check out if you are interested in getting either the Vivo V20SE or the Y20S like I mentioned earlier on. Don't forget to check out the links down below here to enjoy these benefits. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing right here, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!